Hi, Jason here. In this video, we're going to be having a little play around with the Zapier plugin for ChatGPT. And obviously there is thousands of use cases for having Zapier working in ChatGPT because it connects with 5,000 different apps for a start. So you can imagine the possibilities are endless. But for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to try out a couple of interesting things. And I'm also going to use another plugin called Video Insights. So in ChatGPT, if you haven't got them already, you can go to Settings, Beta Features just there, and then you should have plugins hopefully by now. You are going to need the Plus account for ChatGPT to be able to do this, but it's only $20 a month, so no big deal there. But if we just go to plugins and make sure it's switched on, and then you can go to the plugin store just here, and then you'll be able to select Zapier from there and also Video Insights. There it is. And then once you've installed it, you just make sure you've got the little box ticked right there and the other box ticked just there. I'm using Video Insights because I want to connect to a video and grab the content from it basically. So what I'll do is I'll go to my own channel and I'm just going to take this video here. It's about 10 minutes long. We're going to just grab the URL for it, and then we can use that in a prompt and then have the system here go and grab the content and create some tweets for us, and then we're going to try and use Zapier to schedule those tweets and post them out to my account. So fingers crossed, let's give it a go here. So the first prompt I'll put in will be, can you go to the following YouTube video and create 10 useful and engaging tweets with emojis and hashtags, and then post them out in a multi-step zap. So fingers crossed. That was quite a tall order, I think, but we'll give it a go. So let's see what it's up to. So the first thing it should do, here it is use Video Insights. That's the plugin that will then go on to the video, read the transcript, pull it in, and then give it to the ChatGPT to start doing its magic. And here you go. So it's going straight through the transcript, and it's done this one here. Google went AI mad at its I/O event, mentioning AI 143 times. Exciting times ahead. And then it's got Google Workspace and so on. One thing that it hasn't done, and of course I can get it to sort this out if I was doing this for 100% real, I'm going to be posting it and everything, is I would have it then add the URL of the video to each tweet as well. And what I can do, I can just let that run, I think. Now let's create a multi-step zap to post these tweets. And I'll stop it before actually doing it. But we'll go right through the process. And then Zapier is doing its stuff. Look at all this. It's now creating code here, basically telling Zapier what to do. You will need to connect your Zapier account to ChatGPT. And in the process of doing that, you will also need to enable two-factor authentication. So be prepared to do that. If you go down to here and then settings, data controls, just there it says mine's enabled, but yours may not be at the time of doing this. So you need to enable that. And then when you next log in to ChatGPT, you will likely be presented with a QR code. And then you're going to need an authentication app to be able to get you access to do that two-step authentication. I use the Google Authenticator app and that worked perfectly for me. So here it is. Wow, look what it's doing now. Great. I've created a multi-step zap that will post your tweets on Twitter. You can confirm and activate the zap by following this link. Now I see what it's doing here is it's just doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 zaps, which I would then post by clicking on that button. Now I can be, much more clever about this and have it create scheduled posts out if I want to. But this is just kind of a demo, so I'm not too worried by this. But I'm going to click on confirm and post a tweet. And if we just click on that, it should activate a pop-up window, or a new window at least. Maybe if I stop Let's just see how far it's got. The 5th tweet is ready to be posted, blah, blah, blah. We'll stop it there. And now let's click confirm and post. Here we go. This is what happens. You basically get a confirm and run action event coming up here where you have to just press run and then it will just tweet straight out. And then you have also got to have connected your Twitter account to Zapier. And we can show the results. I'll just tweet that one thing. I don't think it matters too much. Here's the tweet URL. Let's go to my Twitter account, and there it is. Look at that. Google went AI mad, blah, blah, blah. Done. Now, you can, as I say, schedule this. What you would have to do, first of all, you can just tell ChatGPT that that's what you would like to happen, and it will guide you through the process. But I know from having played around with this that what it will do is get all of those tweets into a Google Sheet, and then Zapier will go in and grab each tweet and post them on any specific thing that you would like it to do. So daily at a certain time, weekly, whatever you would like. So that's how you can do it with Zapier there. But it's pretty cool that it can just do this. I mean, can you imagine the possibilities? You can really just turn ChatGPT and Zapier into a content producing beast if you wanted to. I mean, you're going to be sending out a fair few zaps, so you might want to just check on their pricing in terms of, you know, how much they cost per zap and how often they're run and so on. But even so, it's just amazing having this ability to generate content and then distribute it all over the place. And if you're using something like Hootsuite, then you could also generate all of the content here, send it to Hootsuite. Hootsuite will schedule it and send it out. So anything that works with Zapier basically is just going to be fantastic with ChatGPT. Another thing we could do is we could just say something else like, can you take all of those tweets and create a new Google Doc using Zapier and write them in there? There we go. And now I've just got to correct Zapier because this doesn't do it right every time. And then let's see what it does this time then. Another little test of Zapier's ability with ChatGPT to create the right kind of stuff. Here we go. Look at this. Instructions. We can see it all happening. Create a new Google Doc with the tweets. And then the document has been named Google I/O 2023 tweets. Then it's just doing all of the content. And hopefully it will manage to fit it all in a single zap. Because one thing I've also tested and tried out is doing a full article. And the article, if it's a 500-word article, it's too big to go into a single zap. So what happens is ChatGPT will split up the article and then do it in individual zaps to get it into that one Google Doc. It's pretty crazy what it will do. But it figures it out. Here we go. The Google Doc with all the tweets is ready to be created. Please confirm that you want us to create the document. Okay, so there we are. There's all our tweets. We just click run, and then that should be it. It's done. We can just just watch it do its magic basically, and that's it. You can click show the result details. But I wonder if I go back here now and just click done. I'll just click done just to let ChatGPT know that we have done that. And then there you go. Great. If you need any further assistance, feel free to ask. Enjoy your day. Let's go back over to here and click show the results. And it might have a link. There you go. It has actually got a link going directly to the file by the looks of it. So we'll click on that and see where it takes us. Oh no. Okay. The request is missing a valid API key. Whatever that means. Well, I'll go to my drive then in that case, and we'll go and see if it's there. There you go. It's right there. I can see it right there. Let's open it up. Perfect. Google I/O 2020 tweets. And there we are. Look at that. Amazing. It's crazy, isn't it? What are we going to do with this stuff? There are just so many options with Zapier and, creating content with ChatGPT and analyzing videos, summarizing videos. Content creation now is just so simple and easy with the power of ChatGPT, and with Zapier you can start putting it all over the web. I would be really interested to hear from you guys, as if you've used the Zapier plugin already with ChatGPT. How are you using it? Love to know, because there's so many different ways of doing it. Please do comment underneath if you've used it already, and let us know how you've been benefiting from this new plugin. And if you're interested in ChatGPT in general and AI, then you've got to come over to our free group here. I say our because it's mine with 4,800 other people. And we all come in here and talk about AI and ChatGPT and how we're using it and the latest, coolest prompts and everything. There's a link underneath this video. Just click on it and you can come and join for free and get involved. We are pretty much the #1 ChatGPT community, as far as I can see, online. And we don't have all the distractions that you do in a Facebook group with messages and all of that stuff. It's just pure ChatGPT content with no distractions. So I think you'll really, really like that. But that's it for this quick video demo here of the Zapier plugin together with Video Insights to actually create some content from a video transcript and then create tweets and then publish them out using Zapier. Pretty cool. And if you like the video, please do press that like button and subscribe for more like it. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in another video in just a second.